Hello students, welcome to our session. This is Neha Gupta, your mathematics educator, and students, here we are discussing the really important questions of NSTS. Alright, so my dear students, it's time to solve some previous year questions of NSTSE. These all questions are very important, so just focus on the concept of each question and try to solve all the questions with me. And trust me, these all questions are very interesting. Okay, so let's start with very first question of today. Alright, this is the first question. Alright, and as we can see, the question is quite interesting because in this question we can see some images, and these images are really interesting because in this image we have some ducks and some chickens, right? Okay, so here students, the question is that there are 1,492 ducks at a farm. There are 3,292 more chickens than ducks. So how many chickens and ducks are all together at the farm? Okay. So first of all, as we can see that number of ducks, it is equals to 1,492. Right? And there are 3,292 more chickens than ducks. Right? So how many chickens are there? 3,292 more than ducks, more than 1,492. Clear? So let me add these two numbers. 2 plus 2, 4. 9 plus 9, 18. So 8 and 1, 10. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. And 2 plus 3. Sorry, 3 plus 1, it is 4. So this is 4,784. Correct? Now the question is asking that how many chickens and ducks are all together at the farm. So this is the number of ducks. This is the number of chickens. So let me add these two numbers. 1,492 plus 4,784. 4 plus 2, this is 6. 9 plus 8, 17. So 7 and carry will be 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2 is 2. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 2 and carry 1. 4 plus 1 plus 1, it is 6. So 6,276 option is right answer. Okay. Just read the question line by line and then try to solve it. Okay. Alright. Let's now move to the next question. So here is the next question. Choose the missing fraction. Okay. So three fractions are given: 2 by 9. 3 by 9 and 4 by 9. And here I have to find the answer. I have to find the addition. So, my dear students, as we can see that in the denominator we have 9, 9 and 9. Right? So what you will do? Just write the 9 only one time. Correct? And I have different numbers in the numerator. So just add the numbers in the numerator. Clear? So 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So this is 9 by 9. Okay. So 9 divided by 9. This is what? This is 1. The same number divided by the same number. This is equal to 1. So here we can see 8. Right answer. Yeah. Perfect. Let's move to the next one. Mrs. Tanya took 2 hours and 15 minutes to bake a cake and another 1 hour 45 minutes to bake a puff. So how long did she take to bake the cake and puff all together? Okay. So the time is 2 hours and 15 minutes plus 1 hour and 45 minutes. Okay. Correct. So basically in time, my dear students, you know one thing that in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. Yeah. And here we have to add this time, right? So this is what? Okay, so as we can see, 2 plus 1, just add the hours with hours. 2 plus 1, this is 3 hours. Now add the minutes with minutes. So 5 plus 5, this is 0, carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So this is 60 minutes. 3 hours and 60 minutes. Okay. Now I just told you one thing, that in 60 minutes there are 1 hour. So 60 minutes, can I write equal to 1 hour? I think yes. This is 3 hours plus 1 hour. That is 4 hours. So I can say 4 hours and 0 minutes is there. 4 hours and 0 minutes. Option C is right answer. Yeah. So whenever it is needed, just convert the minute into the hours or hours into the minutes. Yeah. Perfect. Let's move to the next question because we are done with this question. Okay, this is the next question. 200 less than 1211 tens is, okay, so this is 1200 and 11 tens, right? So 1200, that means 1200 I can write plus 11 tens, that means 11 times 10. 1200, 12 times 100, 11 times 11 times 10, right? So this is 1200 plus this is 110. Okay, so this is what 1200. This is 110. So 0, 1, 3, and 1. 1310. The question is asking 200 less than 1211 tens. That means now I can write it 200 less than 1310. Yes. Okay, that means I have to subtract the numbers, right? 1310 minus 200. 0, this is 1, and 13 minus 2, this is 11. So 1, 1, 1, and 0. Yes, option A is right answer. Just do the question very properly. Write the first line, solve it. Read the second line, solve it. That's it. Okay? Let's move to the next one. In counting numbers, how many of them are two-digit odd numbers? Okay, so the question is asking for two-digit odd numbers. First of all, they are asking for two-digit numbers. So two-digit number starts from 10 and ends with 99. Right? Two-digit number start with 10. Right? Because 9 is a one-digit number and after 9, 10 will come. This is a two-digit number. And 99 is the two-digit number. So after 99, 100 will come. This is a two-digit number. So two-digit numbers start with 10 and end with 99. Clear? The question is asking for two-digit odd numbers, right? So 10 is an even number, right? So 11 is the odd number, 12 even, 13, 14 even, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, then 23, then 25. That means we have to skip one number, right? We have to skip one number at each point, right? Then 27, then 29, then 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, and then 43, 45, 47, 49, 51, and then 53, 55, 57, 59, 61, and then 63, 65, 67, 69, and then 71, and then 73, then 75, 77, 79, and then 81, and then 83, and then 85, 87, 89, 91. Now this is the last, 93, 95, 97, and then 99. That's it. Correct? So these all are the odd numbers. So what I have to do, I have to count it. Just count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 according to that, and you can see 45 numbers are there. Right? The correct answer is 45. Okay, let me write all the odd numbers or the two-digit odd numbers for you. Okay. Alright, let's move to the next one. Which option is correct? Okay, so here some options are given and have to check which one is right. Okay, so the first one is 5 times 3. 5 times 3, it is greater than 15 divided by 3. Okay, let me check. So 5 times 3, this is 15. Less than, this is 5. Okay, so yes, this one is true. Okay, 15 is greater than 5. This one is true. Very good. Now can I check with the next one? The next is 3 times 9. It is smaller than 5 plus 9. So 3 times 9, this is 27. 9 times 9 1 9, 9 to the 18, and 9 to the 27. less than, this is 14. So I think this is not right. This is false, correct? This is false. Because 27 is greater. This is not less. Right? So this is false. First one is true, second one is false. Now let me check with the other two. Option C and option D. Alright, let me erase this. Okay, let's move to the option C. So 18 divided by 3 is greater than 3 times 3. So this is 9 and sorry, this is 6. It's greater than 9. So I think this is false. 6 is not greater, 6 is less. 10 minus 2, it is equals to 10 divided by 2. Okay, so 10 minus 2, this is 8. 8 is equals to 5. This statement is false. 8 is never equals to 5. So I can see only one option is correct, which is option A. Rest options are incorrect options. Okay. Alright, this is the solution for this question. Let's move to the next one. Here is the next question. The length of arrow A is 4 cm longer than the length of arrow B. The length of arrow C is 5 cm shorter than the length of arrow B. If the arrow C is 3 meter 98 cm long, what is the length of arrow A? Okay, so basically the length of arrow C is given, right? The length of arrow C, it is 3 meter and 98 centimeter. Yeah. So what about the length of arrow B? As we can see that the length of arrow C is 5 meters shorter than the length of arrow B. Right? Arrow C is 5 meters shorter. That means the arrow B is 5 meters longer. That means this is nothing but 3 meters 98 centimeter plus 5 meters. Right? So just add the meter with meter. Yeah? So it becomes 5. Okay, so this is 5 centimeter. This is not meter. This is 5 centimeter. The length of arrow C is 5 centimeter shorter than the length of arrow B. Okay, so 5 centimeter I have to add. Yeah, so this becomes 3 meter plus. Just add the centimeter with centimeter. So 98 plus 5 is 4. This is 100 centimeter. Yeah, and this I can write 3 meter plus 100 centimeter plus 3 centimeter, because 100 centimeters is nothing but 1 meter, correct? So this is 1 meter plus 3 meter, this is 4 meter. So this is 4 meter and 3 centimeter. Yeah. So the length of arrow B is 4 meter 3 centimeter. This is given equals to 3 meter and 98 centimeter. Yeah. Now I need the length of arrow A, the last one. Okay. So let me check with the length of arrow A also. Okay, let's erase this all part. Now I will move to length of arrow A. The length of arrow is 4 centimeter longer than the length of arrow B. Right? The length of arrow A is equal to 4 centimeter longer, 4 centimeter longer than the arrow B. So this is 4 meter plus this is 4 centimeter long, right? So this is 4 meter and 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. So just add centimeter with centimeter. So 4 meter and 4 plus 3, this is 7 centimeter. 4 meter and 7 centimeter, option B is right answer. Yeah. So this is how you can just move step by step, right? Whenever it is required, do the calculation. Okay, so you have the length of arrow C. With the length of arrow C, you can find the length of arrow B, and with the help of length of arrow B, you can find the length of arrow A. That's it. The next one. Which number shows 7,000 and 70,000? 7,000 and 77. Okay, so 7,000 and 77. When I add these two numbers, what it will be? 7,077. So this is 7077. This is the right answer. Option A is the correct answer. Okay. And if you don't want to go with this then you can do one more thing. You can just check the option and you can find out which is 7,077. But this is the easiest way. Okay. All right. Let's move to the next one. How many cubes are there in the solid? Okay, so here I have to find the number of cubes. Okay, So I think I can count it, right? Image is given. We have to find the number of cubes. So we can count it, right? Let me count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? And one line is also there behind this, right? In each line we have 3 cubes. In one line we have 3 cubes. And how many lines I have? 1, 2, 3, and this one is 4. So one line, 3 cubes. 4 line, 3 into 4. That means 12 cubes. Correct? So 12 is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Yeah. Alright. This is the detailed solution to this question. Now let's move to the next one because the next question is quite interesting. Right? Okay. So this is 143, 253, 363. Okay. So 143, 253, 363, this is missing. 583 and 693. So one thing you can see that 3 we have in the unit place, right? This is same. 3 we have in the unit place for every number, right? Now what about the first one? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 should come here. Then 5 and then 6. Yeah. Now what about the middle number? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So what will come? 7. 473. Option C is the right answer. Okay. So there is no need of any calculation. Don't be panicked that these numbers are very larger. There is no need to think like that. Just see the numbers. Just look at the digits only and try to find out the relation between the digits. Okay. Alright. Let's move to the next one. How many 5 rupee coins are needed to make a total value? Okay. Alright. So the given amount is, this is 100 rupees, this is 100 rupees. So the given amount is 100 plus 100, which is equal to 200. Right? Okay. So how many coins are needed? 1 coin. Okay. So basically 5 rupee is equal to 1 coin. Correct? So 1 rupee is equals to 1 by 5 coin. So 200 rupee means 1 by 5 multiplied by 200. That means 200 by 5. So 5 4 are 20, this is 40. So 40, that means option C is right answer. That's it. Clear? You can check the solution. Now let's move to the next one. There are 740 people in a museum. 248 of them were children and rest are adults. So how many more adults than children were there? Okay. So how many total people are there? Number of people. It is equal to 740. So 240 of them are children. So number of children 248. Yeah. So now total number of people are 740. Number of children are 248. So I think now I can find the number of adults. Right? So how many number of adults are there? Yes, we have to subtract the number of children from the total. Right? So this is 740 minus 248. Okay, let me do the calculation. 248. So first of all, I can't subtract, so I have to take carry. This becomes 10. 10 minus 8, this is 2. Now this is 3. So 3 minus 4, again I can't do it, so I have to take the carry. This becomes 13. 13 minus 4, this is 9. Okay, this becomes 6. 6 minus 2, this is 4. This is 492. So how many adults are there? 492 adults are there. Yeah. Now the question is asking how many more adults are there than children were there. Okay, that means the question is asking for the difference between the number of adults and the number of children. So I think this is quite easy. So 492 minus 248. This I have to do. So now let me do the calculation. I can erase this and I can do my calculations here. So this is 492 minus 248. Okay. So this becomes 12. 12 minus 8, 4. Okay. So this becomes 8. 8 minus 4, this is 4. And 4 minus 2, this is 2. So this is 244. Option C is the right answer. Okay. So in these type of questions, just read the question line by line and try to solve it. Okay? This is the only way to solve it. Okay. Alright. Let's move to the next one. Monica is preparing 36 doors for an exhibition. If she packs 8 doors a day, how many doors will be left unpacked after 4 days? Okay. So in total 36 doors are there. Right? So in one day, she is packing 8 doors. So in 4 days, she will pack 8 times 4, right? That means 32 doors. Okay. So 32 doors are packed after 4 days. How many total are there? 36. So how many is left? Yeah, 36 minus 32, which is equal to 4. 4 doors are left. Option C is right answer. Okay. Perfect. Let me show you the detailed solution of this question. Okay, move to the next one. Here is the next question. The time was 5:45 a.m. Half an hour ago, what time it is? Okay, so this is 5:45. Okay, so half hour ago, that is 30 minutes before, right? 30 minutes before. What time it is? Okay, so half hour ago, it is 5:45 a.m. Okay, so 5:45 a.m. now. The time will be plus 30 minutes, right? So 5:45 plus 30. This is the time. So this is minute and this is also minute. Clear? So this is 5:45. So after 30 minutes, okay, just check. After 30 minutes, this needle will be there, right? After 30 minutes, this needle will be there. Yeah. So what it will be? It will be 6:15, right? It will be 6:15. Or you can check here also. So minute you have to add the unit, right? The same unit you can add or subtract or multiply or divide with the same unit. Yeah. So 45 plus 30 is what? 45 plus 30. 75 minutes, right? So this is 5:75 minutes. Okay. So now I know that 75 I can write 5:60 plus 15 because 60 minutes is 1 hour, right? 60 minutes is 1 hour, so it becomes 6. So this is 6:15. 6:15. This is AM, so this is also AM. Option C is right answer. Alright, let me show you the detailed solution and let's move to the next question. Okay. Nina sliced a pizza into 5 equal portions. She ate 2 portions of the pizza. What fraction of the pizza did she eat? Okay. Alright. So how many number of slices are there? 5. Right. Number of slices we eat? 2. Okay. So she ate 2 portions of the pizza. Right. So complete is 5. She ate 2 portions. Okay. So what is the fraction? First of all, write the fraction which she eats. 2. Now write the total number of portions. This is 5. So 2 by 5, this is the right answer. Okay. I think you can change this to 2 by 5. Okay. Then option A will be the right answer. Okay. So just see that how many she eats? 2. How many total are there? 5. So first she eats and then the total. This is the fraction. Alright. Perfect. Let's move to the next question then. This is also done. Alright, this is the next question. Ankur needs 48 liters of juice for his birthday party. How many cartons of juice must he buy if each carton contains 6 liters of juice? Okay, so in 1 liter, in 1 carton, 6 liter in 1 carton, right? She needs 48 liters, right? So what she have to do? Okay, total quantity he needs 48 liters. In 1 carton there are 60 liters. So how many cartons are needed? Yes, you have to do the division there. That means 48 divided by 6, which is equal to 8. So 8 cartons, option C is right answer. Let me show you the detailed solution of the question. 8 is the right answer. Perfect. Okay, let's move to the next question. Choose the missing numbers. Okay, so 2 numbers are missing and I have to choose these missing numbers, right? Okay, so for this, I think I can take the help of the options, correct? 4 options are given, okay, and I have to check that which one is the right answer. So I can take the help from my option. So how can I take the help of the options here? Yes, so I can just pick a option and I can put into the answer and then I can check that I'm getting the answer correct or not. Okay, so let me first consider the option A here. Okay, so with option A it becomes 4, B is 3 and then 7. A is 5, this is 7 and this is 3. Okay, so 7 minus 3, it is 4, that is right. Okay, here I have to take the carry, right? So it becomes 13 and it becomes 6. So 13 minus 7, this is 6. Okay, and 6 minus 5, this is 1. So 164 and but this is 284. So this is not right. Okay, so option A is not right. Now you can check with option B similar. So 7, 5, 7 minus A is 4. So 4, 7 and 6. This is same. This is 4. This becomes 15. So 7, 10. Yes, this is 8. Okay, this is 8 and then this becomes 6. So 6 minus 4, this is 2. This is 284. So I can say option C is the right answer. Yeah. So similarly, my dear students, you can check with option C and option D if it is correct or not. Okay, then you will find then they are not right, only option C is right. Okay, so B is the correct choice for you. Okay, let's move to the next one. So here is the next question. This figure is made up of a square and, okay, so as we can see that this is a square, right? If I divide the figure into 2 figures, then I can see that this one is the square, right? Now what about this one? So this is a rectangle, as we can see. Option A is the right answer. This is a rectangle. Alright, the next question. Look at the given diagrams below and fill in the blank, right? Okay, so 900 gram and 150 gram plus banana, it is equal, right? Okay, so here I have to find the mass of orange. Okay, so 900 gram is equals to 150 gram plus banana, right? So what is the weight of banana? Banana is nothing but equals to 900 minus 150, here which is 750 grams. So banana is 750 grams. This banana is 750 grams. Okay? Now in the next weight machine, you can see that 850 grams is equals to 750 grams. This is banana plus orange. So what is the value of orange? Orange is nothing but 850 minus 750, which is equal to 100. So what is the weight of orange? Yes, 100 gram. Option C is the right answer. Here, so here you can see some quite interesting images are there and one interesting question is there, right? Alright, let's move to the next one. Choose the question Q and the remainder R when the difference of this and this is divided by 7. Okay, so the difference of 2254 and 1958, I have to divide it with 7. So first let me try to find out the difference. So 2254 minus 1958. Okay, this is the question. It becomes 14, right? This becomes 14, so this is 6. right? Now I have to take the carry. This is 9. Give the carry back, and this is 2. This is 296. So 296, I have to divide it with 7 and try to find out the questions in the remainder. So this is 7 4s are 28. 1 and 6. 7 times 2. 7 2s are 14. So if I subtract it, I will get 2. Okay. So what is the value of quotient, students? 40. And what is the value of remainder? This is 2. So 48 and 42 and 2. Yes, option is the right answer. Yeah. Nice. This question is also done. We are done with this question. And this is the detailed solution of the given question. Now, let's jump to the next one. So here is the next question. A tailor had 465 centimeters of lace. He used 149 centimeters it for a skirt. What is the maximum number of pieces of length 50 centimeters he could cut from the remaining lace? Okay, so basically there is a lace, right? There is a lace. And the length of this lace is 465 centimeters. Here. And in this lace he used 149 centimeters. Now what's the remaining one? What is the remaining one? Because the question is asking to cut the 50 centimeter length pieces from the remaining lace. Okay. So the remaining lace is nothing but 465 minus 149. Here. So this I can write, this is 6, this is 1 and this is 2. So this is 316. This is 316. The remaining one is nothing but 316 centimeters. Here. Alright. Now, the next thing comes into the picture, that now I have 316 centimeters of lace and I have to cut the small pieces of 50 centimeters. So how many pieces I can cut? Okay. Alright, let me check this. So 50 one piece plus 50 second piece, this is 100. Plus 50 next piece, 150. Plus 50 next piece, 200. Now 200 is done, right? 200 plus 50, 250. 200 plus 50, 300. 300, that's it. Because 300 plus 50 is 350, which is greater than 316, right? So how many maximum number of pieces I can cut? Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces I can cut. Option C is the right answer. Yeah. Nice one. Good question. Alright. This is the detailed solution of the given question. Now let's move to the next one. Okay, this is the next question. 8 similar jugs can hold 56 liters of water. How many liters of water can 3 such jugs hold? If one jug is equals to 56 liters of water, so 3 jugs is equals to 56 multiplied by 3. Correct? You have to multiply it with 3. But my dear students, the question they are asking, it is quite different, right? The question is asking 8 similar jugs, right? That's why I read it incorrect. Okay? Because maximum students, 99% students will read it incorrect in the short time. Okay? So you have to read the question very carefully. This is the reason you have to read the question very carefully. Okay? You will get the incorrect answer. So 8 similar jugs can hold 56 liters of water. That means 8 jugs can hold 56 liters of water. So how many liters of water 3 such jugs can hold? Okay, so 8 jugs can hold 56 liters of water. So one jug can hold 56 divided by 8 liters of water, which is 7 liters. So 3 jugs can hold 7 multiplied by 3, which is 21 liters of water. Option D is the right answer. So just be very careful while reading the question. Okay? Perfect. The next one. Here is the next question. Which two fractions do not add up to 1? Okay, so basically in column 1 and column 2, some fractions are given, and in option A, B, C, D, I can see that there are two options are given, and I have to check that which two fractions do not add up to 1? Okay. So in the option A, it is asking to add 1 and s. So in 1 we have 1 by 10 and in s we have 9 by 10. Okay. So denominator is equal. So 1 plus 9, 10. This is 10 by 10 which is equal to 1. This is equal to 1, so this is not the answer. Second and P. So in second we have 3 by 8 and in P we have 5 by 8. Okay. So denominator is 8. Now numerator is 3 plus 5, which is 8. 8 by 8, this is again equal to 1. So this is again not the right choice. Let's move to option C. In option C, we have 4, which is 5 by 12. Okay, and Q we have again 5 by 12. Okay, so 12 and 12, denominator is 12 and this is 5 plus 5. Okay, so 5 plus 5, this is 10 by 12. 10 by 12 is not equal to 1. So I can see option C is the right answer. Okay, so this is how you can check each option and you can try to solve it. Okay, so option D is also written here. You can check it. Okay, perfect. Now let's move to the next one. There is the next question. Choose the figure with maximum number of straight lines. Okay, so in this figure I have to count for the straight lines, right? So as we can see, option A is the right answer, right? Because in this we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 straight lines, right? In this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this one is 6, only 6 straight lines. In this 1, 2, 3 and 4, only 4 straight lines. And in this again 1, 2, 3 and 4, again only 4 lines. So with the maximum number of straight lines, we have option A. So option A is your right choice. Yeah. Perfect. Alright, my dear students. So let's start with the next question. Okay, this is the next question. In the next question, you can see so many images and we have to solve the question with the help of these images only. Okay. Alright. So in this question, it is given. Alright. So, and this is smaller than this. What is the value of this plus this? Okay. So many images are given, right? Okay. And we have to check that which one is correct, right? So basically one thing is also given that this one is smaller than this one, right? This one, this is just smaller than this one. Okay. And this plus this is equals to 16. This multiplied by this is equals to 16. So basically two images are given. So the addition of these two images are given and the multiplication of these two images are also given. Okay. And this part is less than this part. This is also given. Okay. So let's suppose I'm writing, okay. Let me draw the images only. Okay, so this is the image. This is the first image. Wait a second, let me draw this one. Okay, this is the image and this is your second image. Okay, this is your second image. So basically addition of these two images is equal to 16. Yeah, so for 16 what I can see that I can take it 1 and I can take it 15 because 15 plus 1 this is 16 and this one is smaller. But the multiplication should be equal to 48, right? But multiply by 15, this is not 48. This is only 15. So this I can't take. Again, I can take 2 and this 14 I can take, right? 14 and 2 I can take. So now this is what, right? So 2 and 14, yes, this is 16, but 14 times 2, this is 28. So I cannot take this. This is 48. Yeah. So what I can take? Okay, so 3 and 14. 14 times 3, this is again not done, right? So I can take 4 and 12, right? 4 plus 1, this is 16 and 4 times 2 is 8 and 4 times 1 is 48. This is also correct. So the numbers are 4 and 12. Yeah. So I have to do the division. This is equals to 4. This is equals to 12 and this is equals to 4, right? So I have to do the division here. So 4 times 3 is 12. Option C is the right answer. Yeah. So basically you have to put the different numbers and you can check that which one is fits well. Okay. All right. Now let's move to the next one. Tanish, encode word using the board given. For example, the word shape is coded as this. What word did Tanish enforce as this one? Okay, so shape, that means S. S is what? S is B3, right? S is basically, sorry, S is A3. You have to take the down part. S is A3. Then H. So this one is the H. Now H is what? H is B2. You have to check with this like that, right? Okay. So let me check with the number. So the first is B3. The first one is B3. So this is B and this is 3. So B3 is M, right? Then B2. So this is B and this is 2. So this is A. The next is C4. So this is C and this is 4. This is T. Okay, and D2. So this is D and this is 2. So this is nothing but equals to H. So this is math. Okay, math, your favorite subject. So option B is the right answer. Yeah. Okay, let's move to the next question. So here is the next question on the screen. Nihan picked some oranges from a basket. Okay. Shanmukh picked 3 more oranges than Nihan and Mahi picked 5 more oranges than Nihan. So which of the following cannot be the total number of oranges picked by them? Okay. So Nihan, there are 3 persons. Nihan, Shanmukh and Mahi. So let's suppose X oranges are picked by Nihan, right? So Shanmukh picked 3 more oranges than Nihan, so it becomes X plus 3. Now Mahi picked 5 more oranges than Nihan, so it becomes X plus 5. Okay. So now what I have to do, I have to add them all, right? They are asking about the total number of oranges. So when I add these all numbers, it becomes X plus X plus 3 plus X plus 5. Okay, so X plus X plus X, this is 2X, plus 5 plus 3, this is 8. So the total number of oranges is 3X plus 8. Correct? This is 3X plus 8. Okay, so the question is asking which of the following cannot be the total number of oranges. Okay, the value of X can be anything. So let's suppose that the value of X is equal to 1. Let X is equal to 1. Then it becomes 3 into 1 plus 8. So 3 plus 8. This is equal to 11. So 11, yes, this can be the answer. Right? Now let X is equal to 2. So it becomes 3 into 2 plus 8. 3 into 2, this is 6. 6 plus 8. Let's say this is 14. Yes, this can be the answer. Let X is equal to 3. So it becomes 3 into 3 plus 8. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 8. That means it is 17. So 17 can be the answer. Okay. Now, but 17 is not in the option. Okay. Now let me check with X is equal to 4. And erasing this part. Okay. So let's suppose X is equal to 4. Okay. X is equal to 4. Then this becomes 3 into 4 plus 8. This is 12. 12 plus 8. This is equal to 20. So 20 can be the answer. Let's suppose X is equal to 5. So this becomes 3 into 5 plus 8. 15 plus 8. That means this is 23. Right? But this is 22. That means this cannot be the answer. Right? This cannot be the answer. Option cannot be the answer. Rest, it is possible. Okay? The correct answer is option D, 22. Clear? Perfect. Let's move to the next one. So in the next one, you can see 3 images, right? And you have to check that what is the sum of all these 3 images, correct? Okay. Let's try to find the answer. Okay. Alright. So this is nothing but that one triangle plus one circle is equal to 14. Okay. And this plus, okay. So here we can see that, let's suppose this is our equation 1, this is our equation 2, and this is our equation 3. So basically we can add these all, right? We can add these all. So if I add these all 3 statements, it becomes triangle plus circle plus square minus triangle plus square minus circle, it is equal to 14 plus 4 plus 6. Right? Left hand side part I have to add separately. Right hand side part I have to write separately. Yeah. So now this is what? So triangle and triangle cancel out. Circle and circle cancel out. So this is rectangle plus rectangle. Sorry, this is 2 squares. 2 square it is equal to 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. So this is 24. That means 1 square is equal to 24 divided by 2, which is equal to 12. So the value of 1 square it is equal to 12. Now I can find the value of the rest of the numbers, right? So this is 12. This is 12. Okay. Now let me check the answer. I think now I can solve it. This is equal to 12, right? So 12 minus triangle is equal to 4, right? So I can move the triangle here. It becomes 12 is equal to 4 plus triangle. Now move 4 here. So 12 minus 4 is equal to triangle. That means 12 minus 4 is what? This is 8. Right? So 8 is equal to triangle. Triangle is what? This is 8. This is 12. Now it's time to find the value of circle. So 12 minus circle, it is equal to 6. Okay, move the circle here. 12 is equal to 6 plus circle. Move 6 here. 12 minus 6 is equal to circle. That means 12 minus 6 is equal to circle. That is circle is equal to 6. Right, this is a 6. Now the question is asking for the addition. So 8 plus 12 plus 6. Okay, so this is 20 and this is 6, 26. C is the right answer. So just check the question step by step and you will get your answer. So these type of questions can consume your time in the exam. So just try to save some time for these type of questions. Okay. Alright. Now let's move to the next question. How many balls does exactly? 6 other balls. Okay. So in this I have to check the balls who are exactly touching the 6 other balls. So I can show you this thing in the diagram very clearly that there are 3 balls which are exactly touching the 6 other balls. Okay. Next one and the last question for today. Arun's brother has 3 brothers. Arun's brother has 3 brothers. Okay, so there is a person Arun. Okay, and Arun, let's suppose X is the brother of Arun, and this brother has 3 other brothers. Okay, if Arun is a boy, then which of these statements gives the same information as given in the statement? Arun has 2 brothers. I think Arun's brother has 3 brothers. So how many brothers Arun has? He is the brother and 3 more brothers. So 4 brothers. Arun have 4 brothers, right? So Arun has 4 brothers. Option B is the right answer. That's it. Okay. So my dear students, yes, we are done with this paper, right? And all questions are very important and all questions are very conceptual. So just try to solve all the questions one more time after the session for your better clarity. Okay. Alright students, so this is all I have for today. Now we will meet in the next session with some more interesting questions. Till then, have fun, goodbye and keep